You've just hung your new curtains. Maybe you found the perfect shade that matches your walls, or you finally upgraded from those plain ones that came with the apartment. Either way, you step back to admire your hard work, and there they are. Wrinkles, folds, crushed lines running down the fabric like bad ironing scars. Sound familiar? Curtains often come folded tightly in packaging, and those creases don't just fall out on their own. Not immediately, anyway. But the good news is you don't need to spend a fortune, and you don't need to be a laundry pro to fix them. In this video, I'll show you 5 easy, safe, and budget-friendly ways to get those wrinkles out, plus some bonus tips on preventing them in the future. Let's dive in. 1. Hang and wait, the lazy but legit method. If you're not in a rush and don't want to mess with any gadgets, this is the simplest place to start. Just hang your curtains directly on the rod, straight out of the packaging. Let gravity do the heavy lifting. Over the course of a few days, the fabric will begin to relax and most of the wrinkles will soften or disappear on their own. Now, if you want to speed things up just a bit, lightly mist the curtains with water using a spray bottle. Just a light spritz, don't soak them. The moisture helps loosen the fibers. If the curtains are in or near a bathroom, even better. After a hot shower, open the bathroom door and let the steam drift into the room. It adds natural humidity and accelerates the process. This is the gentlest, no-effort method, and it works surprisingly well for lightweight fabrics. 2. Use a garment steamer, the fastest and safest method. If you want fast, reliable, and effective results, a garment steamer is your best option. It's especially helpful for polyester, cotton blends, linen, and most modern curtain fabrics. Start by filling the steamer with water and giving it time to heat up. Once it's ready, hold the steamer upright and work from top to bottom. Keep the steamer head about an inch away from the curtain. Let the steam gently penetrate the fabric without pressing it too hard. If your curtains hang near the wall, place a towel or a piece of cardboard behind the fabric to avoid moisture building up on the paint or wallboard. You don't want to steam your drywall. The results are almost immediate. In most cases, you can finish an entire window in under 10 minutes. Sufficient, mess-free, and it doesn't require taking your curtains down. If you don't already own a steamer, they're relatively affordable and can be used for clothes too. 3. Dryer with a damp towel, the quick fix without a steamer. This method is great if you don't have a steamer and your fabric can handle a little heat. Take the curtains down and place them in your dryer. Add a clean, damp towel and set the dryer on a low or medium heat setting. Let it run for about 10 to 15 minutes. The steam created by the towel helps relax the fibers and reduce wrinkles. As soon as the cycle ends, take the curtains out immediately while they're still warm. Hang them up right away to let them finish smoothing naturally. This works best with synthetic materials like polyester or microfiber. Just double-check the care label to make sure the fabric is dryer safe. Avoid this method for delicate materials like silk or loosely woven linen. 4. Ironing, the traditional and precise option. Ironing may seem old-fashioned, but it's still the most precise method, especially for heavier fabrics like velvet, jacquard, or high thread count cotton. Lay your curtain out flat on an ironing board or a large, clean surface like a dining table. Set your iron to the fabric's recommended heat setting and use the steam function if your iron has it. Always iron on the reverse side of the curtain to avoid shine or fabric damage. For extra protection, place a cotton sheet or thin towel between the iron and your curtain fabric. Work in small sections. Move slowly. Don't press too hard or leave the iron in one spot too long. Once done, hang the curtains immediately so they hold their shape as they cool. Ironing takes more time and space, but it gives a crisp, structured look that's hard to beat. 5. DIY wrinkle release spray, quick, easy, and cheap. If you don't have a steamer, dryer, or time to iron, a wrinkle release spray is your go-to, and you can make it at home. Mix the following in a spray bottle: 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of fabric softener, optional for fragrance. Shake the mixture well. Then, hang your curtains and lightly spray the wrinkled areas. Use your hands to gently tug and smooth the fabric downward. Let the curtains air dry. Within a few hours, you'll notice the wrinkles begin to fade. This method is especially handy for renters or those on a tight budget. Just be sure to test the spray on a small hidden area of fabric first to make sure there's no staining or reaction. 6. Bonus tips: keep curtains wrinkle-free long-term. Once your curtains are looking fresh, you'll want to keep them that way. Here are a few tips. Use curtain rings or clips instead of threading the fabric directly through the rod. It helps them hang straighter and reduces bunching. When washing curtains, hang them immediately to air dry. Folding them while wet almost guarantees new wrinkles. Avoid stuffing curtains into bins or plastic packaging when storing them. Instead, roll them loosely and store in a breathable fabric bag or wrap them in a cotton sheet. If you're rehanging after washing, put them up while slightly damp. Gravity will help stretch the fabric and reduce post-wash wrinkling. These small habits can make a huge difference in how your curtains look over time. When to consider replacement. Sometimes, no matter what you do, the curtains just won't look right. Maybe the fabric has stretched, faded, or lost its structure after years of use. In that case, it might be time to let them go and invest in a fresh set. New curtains can totally transform a space and bring back a polished, put-together look, often with very little wrinkle-free success. So there you have it, 5 proven ways to get wrinkles out of your curtains, from hands-off methods to hands-on fixes. Whether you want to keep things simple or go for the most polished finish, there's a technique here that'll work for you. Remember, curtains frame your windows, and your windows frame your space. Smooth, crisp curtains can make your whole room feel brighter, cleaner, and more intentional. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY home fixes, and let me know in the comments which method worked best for you, or if you have a tip I didn't cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.